AI images have swept over the internet like an unstoppable tornado. And right now, these AI image generators are unethical because they are trained on copyrighted and private data. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, check out this video. I hope this issue will be resolved in the coming years and future image generators gonna be trained on copyright-free and licensed data. By the way, you can personally help this to happen by donating to these two fundraisers that are aiming to help protect our data from scraping. Check out on their GoFundMe pages for more information and consider donating even if it's just a little bit. If you can't donate, then just share and spread the word about them. Links are in the description down below. But don't be mistaken, AI is here to stay. If you're a beginner artist in this day and age, you probably don't even feel like drawing anymore. But don't give up just yet. I hope I can give you some optimism and reason why you should keep going. If you're new to my channel, my name is Darana and I am concept artist and illustrator. First, these various image generators are basically games. It's like when we play Guitar Hero and we pretend to be rock stars. AI never knows what it's doing. The algorithm has no feelings or ideas by itself, and it just spits out random images that people like. And people generating these images have no control over what AI creates. It's a little bit like a slot machine, and I'm pretty sure it activates similar pathways in the brain. Even though it seems like AI imagery is everywhere at the moment, it's going to calm down. All the people who are generating images right now are going to get bored of it and then move on to the next new shiny thing. And everybody who's there for a quick buck are going to drown the market and then move on to the next quick cash scheme. But real artists who truly love visual media are going to stay and going to keep creating. So if you truly love drawing and love creating, keep doing whatever you're doing, despite all of this. Also, if you don't stop now, when many beginners will stop, you'll be one of the few human artists left in 10-15 years. And I truly believe that handmade art is going to be so much more valuable in the future. Remember that AI needs human input to generate anything. You can't just take whatever AI generated and feed it back to the machine because it's gonna corrupt all the data. Only human artists are going to be able to innovate in the future. If we all stop drawing, then AI would quote-unquote create same stuff over and over again, and we're gonna stagnate creatively pretty fast. So if you're one of the few human artists left in the future, you're gonna be in high demand. If you want to have more business-related perspective, I can also give you one. As a person who knows drawing fundamentals, you would be able to create far superior images with AI than a person who have no idea what they're doing, because you would use it as a tool rather than a ready solution. So having the skills are going to be relevant even in this seemingly dystopian future. As a bit of optimism, I believe that AI will enable individuals to create big projects like games or movies easier than now. But to create a project like that, you will have to have knowledge in these areas. You will need to know what composition is, color theory, visual narrative. So average Joe would never be able to create a good movie even with AI, but an artist most likely would. In the future, when we will have these ethically sourced AI models, nobody would be able to just take your art and feed it to the machine. But you, if you so desire, would be able to take and create your own AI models based on your art and monetize it. So continue focus on drawing fundamentals and double down on storytelling, because telling stories is what we humans do best. We build our whole existence on stories. A good storyteller will be able to adapt in this new age of AI, but purely technical artists would have more troubles. In the end, people like what other people do. We have already created AIs that can beat any human in chess, but we still continue to watch how people compete with each other. Art made with hands is way more fascinating to us than a computer-generated image. Create and draw just for the love of it. Art is the most human thing we have. Even in the worst case scenario, if we lose our jobs to robots, we can still be artists, because machines can't take this away from us. Don't stop now, continue drawing, as AI doesn't even exist. Learn all the drawing fundamentals, no matter how easy it is to generate a dragon with just a button. Creating a dragon with your own hands is so much more satisfying, believe me. Even if learning feels impossible right now, keep going. It's going to get easier, I promise. I hope this video gave you a little bit of optimism and will to go further and become a great artist. Please leave a like and subscribe to help this channel to grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And if you have no idea, by donating to these two images, by donating to these two fundraisers, by donating to these two fundraisers,